The power of respect and kindness. Once there was a girl named Maya who was smart but often spoke rudely to others. She didn't think it mattered how she talked as long as she got what she wanted. One day her grandmother came to visit. Maya barely greeted her and ignored her questions. Her grandmother noticed this but said nothing. Instead, she gave Maya a small plant and said, "Treat this plant kindly and it will grow strong." Maya watered the plant but didn't care much for it. The plant wilted and Maya was confused. Her grandmother then explained, "Just like the plant, people grow stronger when treated with respect. Without care, things wither." Maya realized that respect is like nourishment. She began speaking kindly to others, including her grandmother. Slowly, her relationship blossomed just like the plant when she started treating it with care. From then on, Maya understood that respect brings warmth and growth to everything around her. Give respect and take respect.